こんにちは、Terumi です。皆さん元気ですか? Hello everyone, my name is Terumi. I am a native Japanese teacher in Greece. So today also I want to talk about something a little bit different things. So today is I want to talk about やる気 motivation to study. Yay! So, simple question. Are you happy right now very much? Yay, I'm so happy person, yay! Are you a happy person? So, here's the things. When you have to study every day, you need something motivation. So, you need motivation to study. So, when you wake up, let's study. Or, okay, let's do tomorrow. Or let's do day after tomorrow. So, which one are you? You're the person who will study right now? Yes. Tell me. I watch YouTube. Yes. I will study right now. Or, okay, let's do tomorrow. Or day after tomorrow. Okay, 5 hours later, like tonight, let's do. Which one are you? Which one? You know, it's very difficult to move right now. It's more easy to postpone everything. Postpone, let's do later. You know, I'm not a perfect person. Sometimes I am also like this. A little bit to do later. Let's do tomorrow. But the best is do right now everything. 100 tasks if we have. You know, we need to do this. For example, I need to learn Japanese. I need to improve my, for example, website now. Or I need to cook now. I need to clean my room. You know, a lot of things that we have to do. And if we can do right now, is the best, of course. It's so wasting time. Oh, everything later. You don't feel good. Oh, I'm doing bad. Everything is postponed. What I'm doing, I need to do now, but I cannot do. So, let's decrease this how can I say unnecessary hours that we doing a postpone. Let's say bye-bye. So what we need is motivation. Yes, let's do now. Move now. Yeah. So very scientific things is we need adrenaline or we need excitement. We need dopamine to do. Wow! Yay! Happy! Exciting! These things, if we can control for studying, actually we are so happy and we can move right now. You can search adrenaline and excitement. How can we have all the time? You can search internet, everything, so many information, but it's all the website, all the information is set. We need a target. We need a dream. So dream, we need to put a dream. For example, my dream was move to Greece or move to Europe. So that's why let's study English every day. Let's study Greek every day. And then after 5-6 years, now I'm here. Did it. I learned that it's okay if I do every day. Actually, dream is not just dream. Dream come true. I can control my dream. I can make dream come true. So I learn. So next target. And I just time I have to do every day things. But we need the motivation. And also we need to set the dream. Okay, move to Japan is actually, do you want to do? Do you want to move or not move to Japan? I wanna be a translator. Or I want to work a car company, even not Japan, in Japanese car company in Europe. Whatever, what do you want to do? What the things that makes you really happy? Yes, if I will be this, oh yes, I'm so happy. Oh, I want to get married with him. I want to get married with her. What's your motivation? What makes you really happy? Whatever. So these things is a dream. Your dream is maybe not about Japan anymore. Maybe something, whatever. So try to think what makes you really happy. And then you have to believe, yes, I can do it. Otherwise, it's my dream never come true. So it's zero or dream. No dream, just give up. And bye-bye my dream. Bye-bye sayonara. Bye-bye. Or actually you can focus on the dream. Which one? Bye-bye dream? Or yes, I have hope. Let's try. Which one? Give up, bye-bye? Or I have a dream. Yes, let's try. Which one? First of all. Then, if you can believe your dream, yes, don't want to give up, yes, let's do it today. So, try to believe, yes, I can go to Japan. I want to live there, and I want to have these friends, and my life Tokyo is like, or my life in the countryside in Japan is dream. Or bye-bye. Bye-bye. Which one? So try to believe, and after that, yes, I can do it. Yaruki. Because if you don't have motivation, which means never study. Postpone. So believe and let's do it and let's act. For example, usually I wake up, let's say 8 o'clock. But today I have super motivation. Let's wake up 7 o'clock in the morning. Before I go to school, I'm gonna study 1 hour Japanese. This action, 1 hour, every single day, you can make a time, a lot of time, and a lot of study. So everybody has 24 hours. Me and you and everyone. All the famous actor or your mother and the father and your grandfather and everyone has 24 hours. But how many people makes time to study? This is a very different things. Some people studying 5 hours. Some people studying 1 hour. Some people studying 0 hours. This is coming from everything from your motivation. So that's why we need to control our motivation from our dream, and we will make time. Let's wake up earlier, sleep earlier, wake up earlier, study. Yes. So, and I know that I can do it, and I'm sure you have a dream. That's why you are watching this YouTube. If you don't have a dream, I don't think you will meet me. Never. So that's why you found me, which means you have a dream. And you can do it, and you can be a Japanese speaker.